So, yeah, we got some plans. Please bless this goes well. I love my 8th Gen Civic Si, but the paint is completely cooked, which is the biggest thing keeping me from really enjoying the car right now. So naturally, I decided to repaint the car myself. There's just one problem. I've never painted a car before. Now, do I know what I'm doing? Nope. Am I terrified? Yep. But is that gonna stop me? Also nope. So let's just get into it. So the paint on 8th Gen Civics is almost always bad. So much so that Honda actually did a recall and resprayed a lot of these cars. But as you can see, this one missed that recall window by a lot.
Clear coat failure plagues the 8th Gen. If you park these under the sun for extended periods of time, the clear coat burns through and leaves you with this exposed, dull base coat.
Now my car is exceptionally bad. Every panel that faces the sun has significant clear coat damage, and the clear coat on the hood, roof, and trunk is completely gone. It's pretty gross. In the past, something like this really wouldn't have bothered me. I tend to focus on making my project cars good drivers, and I don't really care so much if they're good lookers. But I don't know, for whatever reason, I kinda just want this one to be a good looker too. Well, the good-ish looker anyway.
I've wanted to go to a few car meets lately, but the condition of my paint is kinda embarrassing. It's silly, I know, but the way the Civic looks now is keeping me from really enjoying it.
The way I see it, I have two options. Option one is try to cover the bad spots with vinyl. And I started doing that with my hood, but that kind of feels like a half solution. So that brings me to the nuclear option. Repainting the car. And in true DIY car guy math, I figured, hey, it makes more sense for me to paint the car myself instead of paying a professional to do it. I've made a huge mistake.
So I'm going to work with what I've got. Besides, as the good book of car guy wisdom teaches, with Harbor Freight, Facebook Marketplace, and YouTube, all things are possible. Please bless this goes okay.
But honestly, guys, I'm terrified I'm going to screw this up. And yeah, it's just an old Honda Civic, but it's my old Honda Civic, and I really like this car. I don't want to ruin it. But let's be real, it probably can't look any worse than it already does.
It doesn't help that my paint color is a tough one to match. Habanero Red Pearl. The pearl is the bit that keeps me up at nights. Blending a pearl paint job takes skill and technique.
And all I have is unjustified confidence and hope. But what more do you need, right? Right? I do have an exciting announcement to make though. So the legends at Eastwood are providing me paint and clear coat, which is awesome because finding this factory paint color is not easy or cheap. So big thanks to Eastwood.
You can find your factory paint code in the driver's side door jamb. That's the easy part. Matching the OEM paint, however, isn't easy. But if you know your paint code, mine is YR557P, Eastwood makes it easy to find the right OEM paint match. And even if you don't have the paint code, you can still search by year and model.
So here's my plan. I'm doing this with zero experience, a questionable amount of confidence, and a theory. I think anyone can do this if they really want to. You just have to accept the reality that it's not going to be perfect, and I'm very cool with it not being perfect. Incrementally better is a victory I'll take. By the end of this, I want to have it looks great from 20 feet car. That would be success for me. I've got the gear, the space, and the supplies. Now I just need to figure out how to paint a car. Well, you all watch. What could possibly go wrong? Let's get after it. If you want to follow along, stay tuned. Like and subscribe because this is either going to be an epic success or an epic failure. But either way, it's going to be epic. So I'll see you in the next one where we dive into all of this.